Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Wednesday, September 18th, 2024. But before I walk you through the charts, as usual, just want to encourage you to please click like if you haven't already, subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, share the content if you would with friends and colleagues, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos just like this one. Daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, that is the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 ETFs. Weekly analysis in the S&P 500 Index, the NASDAQ 100 Index, the Long Bond ETF, the TLT, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube. That is 8 a month that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor. We're always looking for at least 20% moves on those stock picks, and you can check out all of this for no cost for 5 days. We offer a 5-day free trial up front with a wickedstocks.com subscription. So sign up for wickedstocks.com, check it all out. If you don't like what you see within 5 days, you can cancel your subscription at no cost to you whatsoever. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this one, this daily bar chart. Holding above this descending 2/3 speed line, will keep 139.37 in reach over the next 3 to 5 weeks. 111.02, if tested today, can contain weekly selling pressures, and we can turn up from here through the balance of September trade. There are going to be meaningful resistance levels on the way up. I do have still, of course, the 119.68 5/8 Fibonacci. That can contain intraday buying pressures. It's actually performed pretty well over the last week in containing daily buying pressures, but I do see that the settlement about a week ago above the 111.02 speed line as having been a turning point that should once again yield a higher trade as we continue into October. 139.37 remaining a 3 to 5 week target. On the way up, of course, 119.68. If we can close today above 119.68, that should set off follow-through buying to 127.64. Within 3 to 5 days. 127.64 well equipped to contain daily buying pressures on the way up to that longer term objective again at 139.37. And were we to close above 127.64 over the next week or so, we should within 3 to 5 days reach into that 139.37 region. That is a rising channel top converging with the June all-time high over the next week or so, able to contain a double top, possibly through October and into November trade. So we'll be following that obviously closely. Now for the downside, if we happen to break today below 111.02, I just have it as a minor point only, 108.15 in reach. That is the high of the low. I think it is likely today if we break 111.02, but if we close below 111.02, I see that as a good September high. 102.83, then likely within several days, 98.91 by the end of next week. 98.91 is the beginning of a range down to 97.10, this simple trend line that can absorb weekly selling pressures when tested. So closing below 111.02, we have a good September high over the next 1 to 2 weeks, expecting the market to slip into the upper 90s, 97.10 to 98.91, able to contain weekly selling pressures. Until then, you can bottom pick 111.02 if given the opportunity in anticipation of A, 119.68 within 1 to 2 days, B, 127.64 by the end of next week, or C, the longer-term outlook, 139.37 by the end of October. Once again, if we did close today below 111.02, I would suggest that if you're long the market now, as you may be over the last few days, that you at least exit that long position and consider playing the short side into the upper 90s. Now, it would be a settlement below 97.10 that would then set up another 1 to 2 week sell signal down to 84.29. At 84.29, this descending channel bottom is well suited to contain selling on a monthly, possibly through the rest of the year basis, and I don't expect to see this lower point unless we were to close below the upper 90. So it is a bit stair step, but the bigger sweep right now is above 111.02, holding above 111.02 by the end of October. 139.37 is likely. I'm going to keep it at that. A short short and sweet. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of the 5-day free trial and go to wickedstocks.com, our homepage, halfway down. Become a Wicked Stocks Insider member, and you'll receive free stock pick information, not as frequently as if you were a member, of course, but once or twice a month we'll give you a stock pick. We just put one out this week in the TLT, that is the 20-year Treasury Bond ETF. Very interest rate indicative, if you will. You want to check it out for free. Just give us your email address. Now, yes, we will send you some marketing material, but we certainly won't fill the inbox with that. It'll be occasional. I'm going to leave it at that for Wednesday's Daily NVIDIA Report. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursdays, and you have a great evening.